This Apple swing trade ran up over 112%. Let me show you the exact setup, entry, and how I managed this trade. I noticed that Apple was holding this fair value gap. Apple had pulled back to around 224.80, 225. From there, the price rejected and formed a strong displacement to the upside. So on my 1 hour is where I centrally watch and look for entries. I believe around this day is when I noticed that there was Apple flow going into September. They have an event coming up on September 9th. So my plan was to buy calls near the 227, 220 area, as long as it's looking like Apple is going to continue its uptrend. And I wanted to go to the 4 hour. Was looking at based on how much I expected Apple to do before my expiration. Was expected to maybe get around the 241 area, so I selected 240 calls going out to September 5th. So around here is where I entered Monday, August 25th. It actually was 3:23 p.m. Eastern, but it was in this 4 hour candle. And then we see the next morning we kind of dip, retested this fair value gap level again. Then from there we see on Tuesday the market open. If I go just to look at the 1 hour, on Tuesday, September 2nd, the market open, retrace it a little, and then Apple ripped up overnight after news with Google and Apple was released. Actually, it was right after the market closed, the New York session. And so from here, I exited. See, as soon as the market opened, if I looked at my timestamp, it was 9:32 a.m. on September 3rd. So when the market opened, I expected that there could be some profit taken. And since I was close to my expiration of September 5th, I went on ahead and closed all of my positions for 115%. And as you can see, today is Thursday, September 4th, and it's been holding my exit level, but it has not as of yet gone to my target. So this trade was all about planning the levels in advance and then trusting the process. So I mapped my entry, my exit, my upside targets before I clicked buy. I could manage my risk and let the market just do the work. So it is important to always trade your plan. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more trade breakdowns. Links in the description for my trading tools and platform. See you next time.